Okay, good morning, dear students. Today we will learn about the complementary function. In our previous lecture, we already done the process for finding the complementary function of the real roots, complex roots, and short roots. Now we have two examples for understanding the complementary function. One of them is d to the power 4 upon dx to the power 4 minus m4y equal to 0. In this example, first we put at the place of this d to the power 4 upon dx to the power 4 equal to d. Okay, then we can write it d to the power 4 y minus m to the power 4 y equal to 0. In this case, we have the well m is a constant, and we can write this is m to the power d to the power 4 minus m to the power 4 equal to 0. And when we take the factorization of this, then we have d square minus m square, and second factor is d square plus m square equal to 0. Now the next part is d minus m and d plus m and d square plus m square equal to 0. When we find the roots, then we have the d equal to m, this value is minus m, and the roots of the factor of this is d square plus m square equal to 0. So when we d square plus m square equal to 0, then the value of d, when you take the d square plus m square equal to 0, then the value of d equal to d square equal to minus m square, and the value of d square and the value of d equal to and the value of d equal to plus minus m root minus 1, and it is equal to plus minus iota m. Okay, m iota or iota m, right? So the roots are, we have the roots of this equation is plus minus iota m, and next root is plus minus iota m. Okay, so the if we want to calculate the complementary function of this question, then the complementary function, it is equal to complementary function is c1 e to the power mx plus c2 e to the power minus mx, and plus next is the complex root, and this complex root we can write in the form of 0 plus minus iota m, and this value is 0 e to the power alpha, this is alpha, this is beta, e to the power alpha x, so e to the power 0x, and c1 c3 cos mx plus c4 sin mx. Okay, so this value is equal to 1, so we can write this is equal to c1 e to the power m1x, c1 e to the power mx, sorry, c1 e to the power mx, second is plus c2 e to the power minus mx, next is plus c3 cos mx, and last is c4 sin mx. Okay, this is the answer of this question. This is a complementary function. Now if you want to solve question number second, for finding the complementary function of this question, first we need to calculate the roots of this equation. Okay, and the roots of this equation is we can simplify this question according to this method, d square to the power 2 and d square plus 1 equal to 0. Okay, now according the Sridharacharya method, d equal to, if we have a equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, then the value of x equal to minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a, right? So according this method we can calculate the roots of this equation, and according the nature of roots we can find the complementary function. Okay, thank you. And thank you. In our next lecture, we will solve another example of complementary function. Thank you.